You know, with states opening up and people protesting in the streets, a lot of the public feel like coronavirus is over. The only problem is nobody told coronavirus.
America's COVID-19 pandemic has passed another terrible milestone. As of this morning, more than 2 million Americans have tested positive for the coronavirus. More than 112,000 of them have died. The head of Harvard's Global Health Institute said yesterday the U.S. death toll could reach 200,000 in September.
Earlier this week, 16 states reported an increase in average new COVID-19 cases compared to 2 weeks ago. At least 14 states have seen a rise in current hospitalizations since Memorial Day, including Texas, where hospitalizations jumped 42%. In Arizona, hospital capacity is at 83%. State data shows the usage of ventilators, ICU beds, and intubations at all-time highs.
You know, I can't say this for certain because I'm not like a scientist, but I feel like coronavirus grew up with a father who never loved it. Because right now it's working really hard to prove itself. I mean, 200,000 deaths by September? Coronavirus is attacking America so hard, half of the country is going to want to put up a statue of it. And look, there are many reasons that Americans are taking the pandemic less seriously. But one of those reasons might be the fact that the people running the country barely seem to be thinking about it anymore at all. I mean, they haven't held a corona press conference to update the public in weeks. Like, I don't know where the country officially stands. Do you? Are we winning? Are we losing? Can we go back outside? Can we sneeze on the buffet again? Like, what's happening? And it doesn't help that yesterday, just yesterday, the head of the coronavirus task force did this.
Vice President Mike Pence has deleted his tweet showing campaign staff ditching coronavirus safety recommendations. He posted the tweet last night showing him with a large group of Trump re-election campaign staffers with no social distancing or face masks. That despite the fact that these are the recommendations of the coronavirus task force that is led by Pence.
You see, this is the problem. How do you expect the public to take things seriously when you yourself are not taking it seriously? You tell people to wear masks, but then you're raw dogging the air. You tell people to social distance, but then you guys are crammed together like those tiny fish, like the fish inside the can, the fish, you know the fish, they got the smell, it's on the tip of my tongue. God damn it. Anyway, you know what I'm talking about. Because it's clear to see America's battle against COVID. Sardines! It was sardines. You're packed together in a room like sardines. Ah! Look, the point is, America's botched coronavirus response is just one of the reasons that 74% of Americans now feel like the country is on the wrong track. And I don't blame them. Police are beating up protesters in the streets. Millions of people are unemployed. And Georgia couldn't even hold a primary election without making people wait in lines for hours. Clearly, American democracy is failing, which means there's only one thing to do.
What if I told you about a country in crisis?
A country ravaged by disease.
Where the economy has collapsed.
Where soldiers patrol the streets.
A government gasses its own people.
And the lines to vote are longer than the bathroom line at Coachella.
Now what if I told you that country is America?
Plot twist!
That's the Shyamalan.
Admit it. America is a failed state.
America needs a return to democracy.
And if it's one thing America knows, it's when a country needs democracy, you invade it.
It's time for someone to invade the United States.
Specifically, Canada.
That's right. We're asking the good people of Canada to invade us. Please.
Please. Please invade us.
Please invade us. For the love of God. Wait, what do y'all pray to up there? Y'all pray to a moose?
We're not asking for a donation. We're asking for an invasion.
Some of our states are already basically Canadian. Minnesota, Maine, the non-Detroit parts of Michigan.
We're right next to you. Just invade us for the weekend and see if you like it. Come on.
No new languages to learn. It's English, but with a slightly more normal accent.
And to my fellow Americans, why would we not want Canada to invade us?
We'll still have racism, but it'll be polite. Canadian racism, with a smile.
In Canada, we apologize for making fun of you so much. We're so sorry. I'm so sorry. Look, y'all make it easy.
We're just jealous of your functioning healthcare system, which, if you don't mind, bring that with you.
We did great under our last black president. We're willing to try yours.
And on top of all that, I want a Canadian.
I want to a Canadian.
We want to Canadians.
So if you agree that Canada should spread democracy to the United States,
If you're ready to see Canada's military Zambonis roam the streets of our great nation,
Go to dailyshow.com/invade us, sign the petition, and share with your friends.
If enough of us ask and we do it politely, they can't say no.